Hello and welcome to the channel. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for clicking on a video. It means a lot. I'm Lethal42 and today I'll be reading chapter 126 of Chainsaw Man. This chapter was much more than I expected it to be. There was all of the gore you could ask for and a little bit of mystery, just the way we like it with Chainsaw Man. The falling devil shows exactly how terrifying she can be, and we even get some callbacks from part 1, which is nice. I'm not gonna hold it up. I'm gonna get straight into the video. Just remember, if you like the video, please like the video. If you want to come back, please subscribe. You'd be helping me out. Other than that, I'll see you next week. Getting the chapter going. Damn, sliced her the top right here off. She puts it back on. Kicks DIDNT straight through a fucking building. Well, that did not last long. You must be Chainsaw Man. I won't kill any more humans. There's no need for us to fight. My final task is to drop Asa Mitaka into hell, and then I'll take my leave. Oh, she picked up the apple. Did you say drop Asa Mitaka into hell? That's right. Damn, it ripped his whole insides out. Like, that kick fucked him up. Holy. Let me full screen this for you. My bad. There we go. Like, damn, I gotta pull up OBS for this one. Here we go. Nope. Look at this. Oh, it's not gonna let me zoom. Right here. Oh, yeah, well. His whole insides are falling out. Gotta make sure this stays running. Okay. I was given a job. She was given a job. Okay, I mean somebody else wants her to feed the residents of hell. Okay, Asa Mitaka is the final course. Nothing you say makes sense. This is great though. Now I have an excuse to kill you. Did you need one? You jumped straight through. Like, keep your hands off my ex-potential girlfriend. Well, it's good to know that DENJI was like where she was at. That's great. Oh dear. Reaches out with stops him with a feint, hits him with the Marco from fucking Wano. I don't know if you read One Piece, but he is confused. You're impeding my cooking. I must ask you to leave. Okay, he goes into darkness, kind of like whenever Fall. Rips his Chainsaw Man form out. Oh no. Oh, it's just showing her like piercing through his mind or whatever to get to him. I see what's going on. But now he's remembering Aki and power and oh no. That is a basket full of spiders. Flies upward. And that's that. Damn. Gotta feel bad for your boy. Now to follow Asa Mitaka's scent. I love the fact, like the fucking arms. It's an amazing design. She got assets. Go with that. But damn, that is cool. That is unique. Eat it. Oh, he comes back down. Fuck. Slices through the other way. Fuck, that's gory too. His guts are intertwined with her guts. What? When I fight devils that use mental attacks, I cut up my brain as a rule, duh. Oh my god. So, instead of dealing with all of that trauma that he's already dealt with at least once, he decided to chainsaw his own brain so he can temporarily forget. Now he's talking about eating corn dogs from you stupid boy. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is why I love Chainsaw Man. Holy shit. Oh, he's eating her. I am not a corn dog. Oh, he's eating her. What happens if you eat a primal? What the fuck? Perhaps you're right, though. That's hilarious. I am not a corn dog. A chef ought to experience being eaten at least once. Oh my god. So he's eating. Did he like expand? And she like, oh my god, she exploded out of his fucking stomach. What is this fight? What the fuck? I actually, there's few times that I've been like, alright, I can't wait for this to get animated. I hope this gets animated. I fucking hope this gets animated. This is gonna be sick. Holy shit. Thank you for the 5-star experience. If you'll excuse me, it's time I returned to my cooking. Sends a chainsaw through her face. Oh. Every attack she hits him with, even if it's just like a flick or just whatever, absolutely just destroys him. Holy shit. Damn. There is fucking blood everywhere. Holy shit, dude. I detest ugliness. He's halved. I get it. She just flies off, I guess, going for Asa. Oh my god, get back here. No, of course he's still alive. And that has to be what's-his-face. Oh, I never remember this dude's name. Is it Yoshida? I think it's Yoshida. I'm probably wrong about that. Cuts their hand, drops some blood in his mouth. I still need you to fight, Chainsaw Man. Flying. Oh shit, she found Asa just instantly. Hiding in a corner. It found us! I found you. Oh no. Why there? Ah! Bro. Damn it. I still need you to fight, Chainsaw Man. Who the fuck is that? What if it's like Kobeni or something? Like somebody random like that. This shit was sick. Oh my god, this chapter's crazy. Well, damn. I guess I can't wait for next week. Fuck me, this is crazy. I have to upload this tonight. Oh, I didn't record it. Fuck it. I'll just download the stream. Hey, there's 2 other people in here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of manga reading. Gotta get this shit in.